Hello, students, welcome to the channel. And today we are going to learn about the multiple choice close question that comes into your reading and use of English examination under the Cambridge assessments, that is C1 Advance. So today we are going to take this test and we are going to go on the first one, that is this one, David Attenborough. So we all know David Attenborough is does voice narrations and all for Animal Planet. He is a British, so we'll just go there. So here you can see blanks, and if I click on the blanks, the what we say, four options will come because it's a multiple choice. Among the four options, we have to choose the correct options. So students, for this we always have to understand that we have to read the sentence carefully. Okay, so we'll just start. So if you are an dash viewer of nature documentaries, you will no doubt be familiar with Sir David Attenborough, one of the most well known and dash respected broadcasters and naturalists of all time. So I'll just click. So if you are an Okay, avid. Okay, extreme, eager, interested. Avid. So I think avid fits well, so I'll go with avid. Okay. So avid means, a regular viewer of nature or very much interested. So Sir David Attenborough, one of the most well known and dash respected broadcasters. So dash respected and naturalists of all time. I think it will be highly respected. Dash the old saying, never work with animals or children. Attenborough was born in 1926 in Isleworth. He spent most of his life exploring the world and its creatures from both sides of the lens. So dash old saying. Okay, dash old. So here there is a contrast. So whenever there is a contrast, we'll go with despite of the old saying or despite the old saying. In 1952, in the TV series Zoo Quest, he received what would be Dash as his initiation into combining television presenting with animals. So we'll just click over here, and I think it will be described. Okay, Dash's career in television spanned many high profile positions, including BBC Two controller and director of programs. Okay, so Dash's career. Okay, so we'll just go. So, students, I think it will be indeed his career, because obvious, it's an obvious thing over here. So I'll just click on Indeed, and okay, we'll go further. In 1973, he resigned from his office based role to dash in presenting and producing nature programs for various British television networks. So, role 2, focus more on. Okay, so he just changed his position. Okay, over the years, a special combination of incredible cinematography and Sir David's dash voice has produced prize winning documentaries. David's unmistakable voice, okay, has produced prize winning documentaries and brought miracles of the planet Earth into millions of living rooms across the world. Okay, students, will just go on. His narrative style is strong, dash, yet humble and soothing. Narrative style is strong, knowledgeable. Okay, no, knowable. Okay, that's not done. Alert, brainy does not fit. So I'll go with knowledgeable. And whether he is describing the sound of the insect at sunset in the Sahara, or describing a battle between predator and prey, or describing a battle between predator and prey. His intonation lures you happily into the adventure. So, students, I'll click on finish test. So, we have got everything right. So, students, I hope you all have understood this. If you want to, if you really want to know, you can pause it, read it for yourself, and understand it for yourself. If it all, if there also you have any doubt, you can email me personally so that I can get back to you. Okay, students, so have a good day. Thank you.